Hi everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to make this simple hat, and it's so good looking. It's very easy. Beginners can easily make it, and I'm gonna keep this tutorial slow, so don't worry about it. We're gonna make a rectangle, then join it from the top, and it's unisex, and you can make it for the children. You can use it this way. It's look like a ribbon. For this one, I use this yarn Papatya Tweed Chunky. It's a category 4 yarn. It recommends 7-8 millimeter hooks. I used 7 millimeter. It's a soft yarn. It's better to use a soft yarn with a kind of bigger size hook. And it's so stretchy. I'm gonna give you the information about adjusting it, and hope you like this one too. If you are ready, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It's totally free, and please leave comments. I like to read them. We can start now. Start with the slip knot and make 30 chains. If you want, you can make it longer, shorter. You can use any chain numbers. There's no multiples. Once you complete your chains, you are gonna add one more. I have 31 chains right now. Yarn over. Turn your chains. We will work into these back bumps. You see, that's the first one. We are gonna skip this. Insert into the next. First yarn over, insert, grab the yarn, pull through. I have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through all. So that's my first half double crochet. Don't count this one chain as anything. Into the next, put a half double crochet. Into the next, put a half double crochet. And for this row, we will only make half double crochets. Meet you at the end. When you complete half double crochets, chain 1, tuck. For the row 2, we will use slip stitches. First, insert into this first stitch, grab the yarn, pull through. That's my first slip stitch, and starting from here, I'm gonna make 2 slip stitches together. Insert into the same stitch, pull up a loop, insert into the next, pull up a loop, and pull through this loop to these 2. Insert the same stitch, pull up a loop, insert into the next, pull up a loop, and pull through this one. Don't make the slip stitch too tight. That's why I'm using a bigger size hook. than this yarn needs. 1, 2, pull through 2. And in the end, we are going to insert into this stitch, and don't miss this one. Insert, pull up a loop, pull through. You need to have same amount of slip stitches. I have 30. Chain 1, turn. And starting from here, this will be our repeat. You see, that's one is the front loop, and that's one is the back loop. We are going to use these back loops and make half double crochets. Insert into this first stitch, make a half double crochet, into the next, make a half double crochet, and it will look like that there will be 2 lines together. And keep going all along. I made the last one. Chain 1, turn, and for this row, as you know, we are going to make 2 slip stitches together. Insert into this first stitch, make only 1 slip stitch, insert into the same stitch, pull the loop, insert into the next, pull up a loop, and make 2 slip stitches together. That's our repeat. You are gonna repeat this as long as it fits around your head. And I will show you in a second where you need to finish. I made this piece. It's 23 centimeters, 41, 42 centimeters, but it will stretch. As I told you, if it fits, then it's okay. But as you all know, we started with half double crochet row, and you are gonna complete with this 2 slip stitches together row. That's where I started, that's where I completed, and we're gonna put these 2 together. That's the wrong side. And now we will join this. Insert from this first stitch. Oops. Pull the yarn, make a chain. Insert into the same place. Insert only back loop. Be careful. And that's not our stitch. You are gonna use this one, okay? This back loop. Insert, grab the yarn, make a slip stitch. Insert into the next. Insert into the back loop. A slip stitch. Back loop and make a slip stitch. Join all the way along. almost complete. Make a chain, cut the yarn, leave a tail. Okay, we are gonna close here. I'm gonna use a regular stitch. Then turn around. Just secure the yarn close here, but check it from the inside. Check it and see how it looks. That's it. I will not use a pom-pom because I like it this way, and hope you like it too. If you like, please thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Sirin's Crochet is my Instagram address. It's also my Etsy website, Ravelry, Pinterest, Facebook. You can find me anywhere you want. That's it for today. Hope to see you again. Have a nice day. Bye.